Hey guys, this video isn't like a real video. This is just an announce. I may not post any videos for the few weeks. This week until like maybe Wednesday or Thursday, just because I have a lot of things. This is a busy week, guys. I'm so sorry, but to make you guys explore some way, I'm gonna give you two codes. The first code is free code. I'll give you all the codes, all of it. So the first one is free code that gives you $500. The next one is new description, but they only put new that. And the next one is we are gonna be rich is the next code. And the next one, the other one is release 2018. That's the next code. And wait, let me see. The others are sweet 500 for 500 gold, 1 grand for 500 gold, 5k V for 15 minutes of 2 times gold, and everyone is friends for 500 gold. Not all of them gives gold. We are gonna be rich is 1 hour of 2 times 2 gold, and here's 15 minutes of 2 times 2 gold. So hope you enjoyed that small video. Please guys, don't be mad. Hope you enjoyed that video. You can watch any other YouTuber, but please don't subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Peace.